I'm listening.
So, so the wood in our tree at the front yard, and it's actually crayons.
Whoa. Hey, girls, go to the porch.
He doesn't bite.
Hey, girls, go inside. Go inside, walk, do not run. Walk. Alright, so this is where we're at. I should have checked it on the first one. These don't even match up. So I don't know, I gotta, check your pieces. Check it on the first one. Learn from my mistakes. Smart people learn from their mistakes. Smarter people learn from other people's mistakes. So, learn from my mistake. Don't do it like I did it. Take off one and then check it out. Alright, well, that'll do it.
Hey, I guess they're right. Senior citizens, although slow and dangerous behind the wheel, can still serve a purpose.
I'll be right back. Don't you go dying on me!